Hey there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, we'll bring you an interesting story as the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God reveals that he is not dying anytime soon. Let's check out details. The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, has said that he would live to 90 years before preparing for death. Adeboye made the remark while urging his church members not to celebrate his birthday now. He said if Jesus Christ does not return soon, he would not die young. Adeboye, who is currently 78-year-old, spoke while addressing his members at a special service at the church's headquarters along Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. The clergyman also noted that it would be a lie to think that he would die soon. He promised to hold an elaborate birthday ceremony at the age of 90 years before his death. According to Adeboye, he said, "I am not going to die young. Some people were laughing when they heard me say that don't worry yourself celebrating any birthday for me now. Wait till I am 90, then we will celebrate for a whole month. They think I am joking. Unless the Lord returns before then. At the age of 90, I am going to celebrate for a whole month. At the age of 90, after that celebration, then I can begin to get ready to go. But that I'm going to die soon? That's a lie." The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God has been trending on social media for some time now, particularly after he laid out his thoughts on a social media challenge. In one of his devotional on Friday, 29th of January 2021, he had urged his followers to ensure that they continually sieve the type of materials they consume on social media. Trailing the heels of the controversy surrounding the ongoing silhouette challenge, the Christian leader warned that consuming photos and videos with unclad people will quench the Holy Spirit in people. Before turning into a sultry black silhouette against a red background, as trended for some days on social media. Adeboye warned that those displaying their nudity on social media were chasing away the Holy Spirit. The clergyman also made reference to some Bible verses to back up his caution, which has led to so many reactions on social media. Well guys, what do you think about the RCCG General Overseer predicting his own death? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.